Houston, I think we have a problem. I see Stripe down on the ground, and there's another black cat up here not too far from Stripe, which I think is a Tux. Checking out Stripe's chair. Hey buddy, good morning. I'll move him to a safe location. Good morning, Tux. Hey bud. You're not near a assigned spot. You're gonna cause trouble. I guess it's gonna be 80 today. I'm out here in short sleeves this morning. I had on my little brown jacket and I was instantly too hot. Hey there. I think you're gonna be taking that sweatshirt off sooner than later.
Yeah, I probably will.
Although, you know, the house is probably a little cool in that corner back there. I love you.
I love you too, but I gotta go to work.
I'd rather work out here.
Well, yeah, I guess. I guess that's probably true. I would like to work out here too, but I'd really like to just pile up and read my paper.
Drink some coffee. Watch some YouTubes. Come on, Tux. Let's go, bud. We got more walking to do. Exercise the cat. Come on. Come on, bud. Yep, the girls are late to the party. Hi. Hello. Robotics Day means I spent extra time at the computer too.
Oh, it's a beautiful day outside.
I know. I need you not working and me not doing robotics or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I promise. No more contracts. I promise.
Well, I would have had to get ready for robotics today anyway. We're going to learn about binary and hexadecimal numbers today.
Yeah, way cool.
And usually it's kind of fun because I hand the kids cards and I make them be numbers and they have to stand up at the front of the room and flip the cards and stuff.
Yeah.
But I can't do that with remote learning, so I'm struggling with that a little bit. And I think I'm going to start off by showing them an IPCS screen and explain why, as a computer programmer, you might need to understand the difference between binary and hex, and even ASCII and EBCDIC.
Yeah, that's right.
Can you come rescue me if I sound like I'm lost?
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Maybe you or Rollin or Pete, either one of you guys would be better at this than me. But surely at the 6th grade or 7th grade level, I could handle it.
Yeah, they probably could ask me questions I can't answer.
We're not actually going to shoot an OC4 today, so.
No, we don't. That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I came up here to see Stripe, and Stripe was down there somewhere. Please explain to me how that happens. You gonna get in trouble. You are? You're gonna get in trouble. Trouble running into Tux. I'm ready to log in for our robotics from the catio. I've got Tux down there and Gray's on the platform and Stripes up there, and this way I'm not so loud in the house where I'm too much of a distraction for Don while he's working. Johnny finishes school for the day, obviously, right around the time robotics starts, so it's nice out here. I like it. There were other spots to sit, but for an hour or more, and this was in the shade. This was a good place. This chair's pretty comfy. I'm out in Ruby after robotics, which was successful. Just to play pogo for a few minutes while Don finishes up his work day. It's so pretty here in North Carolina. It's just gorgeous. Ruby says it's 70. She hasn't been out of the garage long though, so I'm not sure how totally accurate that is, but it's at least that warm, at least. Well, there's a good number of cars here at South Park. People walking on the track, people heading out Jeff Wells Trail, people over at the little playground in the shelter. There's a lot of people up here tonight. Don't blame them. Ruby does say it's 74. I don't know what the high was today. I don't think we hit 80, but certainly mid 70s. Yay, more Legos! So when I came into the garage, I noticed that Ruby's lens back here is has little cracks in it. I cannot feel the cracks from the outside. It's really weird. I'm not aware of any impact to the lens. I don't think it was like that yesterday. I know those lenses are expensive, so I'm pretty sad to see that. I have no idea what happened. There's obviously no other impact back here. Yeah, I haven't told Dawn yet. But it really doesn't feel cracked on the outside. Oh, it is. With my nail, I can feel it. I have no idea what happened. I mean, a rock could have hit it while I was driving down the road, but it's really not on the corner of the car that you would have expected that. So, bummer. It did not put me in a good mood. I didn't say anything about it before I went to South Park, trying to decide if I was going to say anything about it or not. And, yeah, in full disclosure, I decided I would, and I'm a little sad right now. Not the end of the world, obviously, but I'm a little sad. Waited all day to go out and enjoy driving in my car.
I can't win. I cannot win.
It turned stressful.
She comes, she says, oh, I'm going to go outside and enjoy myself. I'm going to go get some Pokemons. And I said, oh, great. And so I finished up. So she comes through the door. And I say, I'm signing off right now. And I come in there and she meets me at the door. And she got this big frowny face on.
I swear I didn't do anything.
I
don't think it was like that yesterday, because you see it when you come through the garage door. There's no missing it.
I understand.
If it were on the other side of the car, it could have been messed up for weeks, a month. You wouldn't have known till the next time you washed the car.
Yeah, I have no idea.
But on a driver's side, there's no going past it without seeing it. Dawn agrees it doesn't look like an impact.
Yeah, I think I've seen that kind of pattern in plastic lenses on cars before, so I'm thinking it's just unfortunate for us. The heat or something did that, and so we'll just have to replace the silly lens.
So I asked Don if I could redirect him over here today. I said we'd get more bang for our buck if we would clean up this little area. All right, here's the first one of the day. Roots and all. Yeah. Yep. Yay! I did my bid for pulling, cutting, trimming tonight, and I have my butterfly bush back away from the bridge and ready to rock and roll this spring. I think it'll be okay. I checked the 10-day and we don't have any freezing temperatures, even at night. A squirrel's nest up there, still half up there, but the other half fell down into my camellia bush, and boy was that a mess. And I got that cleaned up. Fixing to have some pretty little yellow flowers here. Piece of ground cover that I planted. See blooms forming on it. Much better. Most of the stuff today Don was able to pull up out of the ground just using his hands. There's one stump over there that's got a lot of sprouts coming out of it. It's really close to the little walkway, so he's gonna pull that with the GMC while we're down here. And that's my rhododendron right there, and the deer have ate on it some, so it's not looking too good. Oh well. Oh, it came out no problem at all. He didn't have to try. No, it came out that easy. You didn't even have to try. It just sort of like you probably could have pulled it out with your hands. It looked really stout though. I mean, it had like 10 sprouts.
Yeah, well, I could wiggle it with my hand, but wiggling and
it didn't even
two different things.
Yep.
My
Here, corned beef, courtesy of the Instant Pot, and I made some of these little tiny potatoes again too.